Hey everyone, Working Weston here. I'm a big fan of hairspray, not such a big fan of the ingredients. I'm gonna show you my 2-ingredient hairspray that works just as well and tastes twice as good. Let's get into it. I was using hairspray every day for a while, and I really like hairspray, especially compared to gel, because it has great hold and I don't have to get any on my hands, plus a little bit goes a long way. Just your gentle, friendly reminder, like and subscribe, hit the notifications. Every Friday at noon I'm gonna bring you something like this. So there are some things I don't like about hairspray, namely the ingredients. Did I say namely or mainly? Anyway, I started experimenting with homemade recipes until I found one that works. This is the one. For every 1 cup of water, 4 tablespoons of sugar. So in this video, I'm doing a half cup of water, that's 2 tablespoons of sugar. Put it into a pot, warm it up, and stir it in until the sugar dissolves, and that's it. If you'd like, you can hit it with the essential oils, just a couple drops, give it a little bit of a fresher fragrance, but completely unnecessary. All you're gonna need is one of these reusable spray bottles and then fill it up. I'm serious, this is it. This will work as well as hairspray, and then you don't have to soak your head with any of those weird chemicals that nobody knows exactly what they are. Just sugar and water. If you get hungry, spritz it in your mouth. I like to spritz it on my head. So I wake up, hair is pretty messy usually, something like this. I just start spraying it. You know, work it through with your hands. Try and get it down to the roots. That'll give you a much better hold. The real trick is to blow dry, and that's what kind of sets it. And then you could spritz it again, yeah. Whatever I was doing there. Get the shape you want. This is gonna hold it, sugar and water.